Advanced Maths Class 9 Logarithm. So exercise 3.2. Before starting this exercise, I want to explain something, that is, whenever you are going to find a log of any number 946, it has two parts. One is the characteristics. It has two parts. One is characteristic and other it is the mantissa. It has two parts. Mantissa. The mantissa I get from the log table. This I get from the log table, and characteristics it is given by us. So what is characteristics? Now let us come. What is characteristics? What is characteristics? So here, what is characteristics? So log 946. So here there are three digits. So your characteristics will be number of digits minus 1. Always number of digits minus 1. So 3 minus 1, this will be 2. Actually, what is characteristic? If you represent 946 in standard form, it will be 9.46 into 10 to the power of 2. This is your characteristics. This is your characteristics. So in short form, we do like this. That is, there are number of digits. There are 3. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Always subtract 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Actually, this is the characteristics. So now again, log 94.6. Here you have to consider the number of digits before decimal. You have to consider the number of digits before decimal. So there are two digits before decimal. So your characteristics is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Always subtract 1. If you represent this in standard form, it will be 9.46 into 10 to the power of 1. This is 1. This 1 is your 9 into 10 to the power of 1. This 1 is your characteristics. This one is your characteristics. This one is your characteristics. Now again, log, if it is 9.46, therefore before decimal, that here before decimal there are two digits. Before decimal there are two digits. So 2 minus 1, always subtract 1. So before decimal there is only one digit. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So your characteristics will be 0. In standard form, we can write it like this: 9.46 into 10 to the power of 0. This 0 is your characteristics. So this is how we calculate the characteristics. Now let me take some more examples to make it more clear for you. Let me take log 0.946. So here again, your characteristics will be, shift the decimal to one non-zero position. Shift the decimal to one non-zero position. Yes, the decimal will shift to this non-zero position. So your characteristics will be minus 1. And in standard form, you can write this 9.46 into 10 to the power of minus 1. So this minus 1 is your characteristics. This is your characteristics. Again, let me take log 0.0946. So to get to move to first non-zero digits, to move the decimal to first non-zero digit, you have to shift through two places. You have to shift through two places to move this decimal to the first non-zero digits. You have to move two places. So your characteristics will be minus 2. Again, say log 0.00946, your decimal place shift to first non-zero digits. That is, while shifting the decimal to first non-zero digits, we have to go through three places. So your characteristics is how much? Minus 3. And in standard form it will be 9.46 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is your characteristics. Here it will be 9.46 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So this is your characteristics. Now let me give you some more examples. Let us take like this. Log 9460. So there are 4 digits. So this will be equal to, your characteristics will be equal to, characteristics will be equal to 4 minus 1. Always subtract 1. This will be equal to 3. And if it is log 94600, there are 5 digits. So your characteristics is characteristics is how much? 5 digits, so characteristics is 4. Your standard form, it will be 9.46 into 10 to the power of 4. This is your standard form. So this is your characteristics. So this is all about characteristics. Let me take one more example. Log 0.000000946. So your decimal shifts to first non-zero digits. Decimal shifts to first non-zero digits. So how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your characteristic is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is minus 7. And in standard form it is 9.46 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this minus 7 is your characteristics. This is all about characteristics. Now how you are going to find this using log table. This is second part is Mantissa. Second part is Mantissa, and this Mantissa you are going to calculate from the log table. So your exercise 6.2 first question is 946. So your log 946, first of all, you have to write the characteristics. There are 3 digits, so 3 minus 1, there are, this characteristics is 2. And now I will go to the log table. See, I am going to the log table. I will go to the log table, and log table, see how I am going to find it out. Log table, here see 94 and 6, that is 6 column, 94 6 column, 94 6 column is 9759. So it is 9759. You have to place the decimal, and the mantissa is written after the decimal. This is your answer. So again, let us take question number 2. Question number 2. Now your second question, that is log 2.42 into 10 to the power of 5. While solving this will be equal to log 2.42 plus log 10 to the power of 5. So this will be log 2.42 plus 5 log 10. And you know that log 10, it is base is not given, so it is 10 base. So this is 1. So this will be equal to log 2.42 plus 5. Before decimal there is only one digit, so 1 minus 1, your characteristics will be 0 point. Now I am going to the mantissa part. I am going to take the help of log table. You have to consider the whole number. You have considered the 242. You do not keep in mind the decimal. You have to consider the whole number 242. So your 242, that means 24 2. This is 24, and your 2 is, it is written after decimal. So 3838 plus 5, 3838. So this will be equal to 5.3838. This is your answer. Yeah, this is your answer. Now I am going to question number 3. See 3. Here again, log 831.61 into 10 to the power of 7. So here again log 831.61 plus log 10 to the power of 7. So this will be log 831.61 plus 7 log 10. So here this will be these are before decimal there are 3 digits, so 3 minus 1 your characteristics is 2, 2, then decimal. Now you have to take the help of log table, that is 83 1. Your 83 1 is 9196, and then this 6 you have to get from the mean difference. Your mean difference 6, 83 1, your mean difference is 3, so you add 3 here, so 9199, you have to add 3 here, so this will be 9199 plus 7, so 7 plus 8 to 9.9199. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer. 3.2, 3.2, you see 9.919 and 1. Here this is 1 because there are two types of log tables. Some are of 4 digits and some are of 5 digits. My log table is of 4 digits, so I get up to answer up to 4 digits. There are some log tables where it is up to 5 digits. So this while solving this question, they used this 5-digit log table, so the answer has come to last digit, one more digit, that is 1. Now again I have to go to this, say 4, that is log 0.1234458. So if you have any confusion, there are, say I am going to show you for one way and also in another way. Here see, your characteristics will be first non-zero digits, so it has to move through a place 1 2 3 4 5. So your characteristics will be minus 5, which is represented as 5 bar, this means minus 5. And after the decimal you have to consider the non-zero digits, that is 458. By the help of log table, 45 8, so your 45 8 is 45 8, 45 8 is your 6599, your 0.6599. This is your answer. And if you have any problem, you can solve it also in like this way, that is log 0.0000458. This can be written as log 4.58 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So this will be equal to log 4.58 plus log 10 to the power of minus 5. So here your before decimal there is only one digit, so your 1 minus 1, your characteristics is 0, and 45 8, this is 6599, and this is minus 5, 10 10 base 1. So this you can write as 5 bar 0.6599. This is your answer, or you can do in this way if you have any confusion. So let me see the answer. Question number 4, it is 6 6, because it is due to the difference in the table. It is correct because of the difference of the table, such differences arises, because oh, let me see, there is some mistake. Oh, I saw it in the the 7 column. No, it is in the 8. So your 8, this will be 6609. This is 6609. So this will be 6609, and so this will be 6609. This is your answer. Now this question number 5, let me do the question number 5 for you. Question number 5, so 5, here you see log 0.1234458 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 3. So this will be log 0.1234458 plus log 10 to the power of 3. So here again 5 5 bar point 6 609, and this is your how much 3, this is plus 3, so minus 5 plus 3, this will be 2 bar point 6609. This is your answer. So let me check the answer. Let me say this is your answer. Now to question number 6, that is 0 log 0.007 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So you can write this like this: 0.007 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2. So here your characteristics, first non-zero digits, 3 places you have to move. So 3 bar, and you have to see not 7, you have to see 70, because log table starts from 10. So 70 0, your 70 0, you have to go for 70 0. 70 0 is 0.8451 and minus 2. So here again this will be minus 3 minus 2, 5 bar 0.8451. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. This is 6 5 bar 8451. So this is question number 1. Now I am going to question number your 2. I am going to question number 2. I am going to do only one question for you. Rest I think so you can do it yourself. You have to find the logarithm, because the value of log, it is given to you. Log 2 is equal to 0.30103, and log 3, it is 0.47712, and log 7, that is equal to 0.8451. This is given to you 510. So you have to find first log 75 by 14. This will be equal to log 75 minus log 14. Now you do the prime factorization 75. Prime factorization 75, 3 uh, 3 twos are 6, uh, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6, and 5 fives are, so this will be equal to log 3 into 5 square, and this will be equal to log 2 into 7. So this will be log 3 plus log 5 square, and this will be log 2 plus log 7. This will be, so here you see log 3 value is, it is given to you 0.47712, and plus 2 log 5, and minus log 2, its value is it is given to you 0.30103, and log 7, it is given to you, that is 0.84510. So now you can do one thing, you can find the value of log 5. How you are going to find the value of log 5? Log 5 means log 10 by 2, so this will be equal to log 10 minus log 2. So this is 10 base, this is 1, minus log 2 value is 0.30103, so 1.00000.30103. If you subtract it, this is 10 minus 3 7, 9, 9 minus 1 8, and then this is 9, and 9 minus 3 3 6. So this comes out to be your 0.47712 plus 2 into 0.69897, and minus, now you add these two. If you add these two, 0.30103 plus 0.84510, this comes out to be 3 1 6 4 8 9 10 11. So this comes out to be 1.14613. Now your 0.69897 into 2, this will be 2 7s are 14 4 1, 2 9s are 18 1 19 9 1, 2 8s are 16 1 17 7 1, 2 9s are 18 1 19 9 1, 2 6s are 12 1 13. So it will be 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 point. So this will be 0.47712 plus 1.39794 minus 1.14613. So when we add it 47712, this will be 6 uh, 0 14 5 7 7 8 and 1. This will come out to be 1.87506 minus 1.14613. So you subtract it 1.4613. This comes out to be 6 minus 3, that is 3. 10 minus 1 9, 14 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6, this comes out to be 8. 6 minus 4, this is 2, and 8 minus 1, this is 7. So this comes out to be 0.72893. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. See, your answer is correct. 0.72893. This is your answer. Now the second and third, you can do it yourself. I am just I'm not going to solve it, but I am going to do a half part of it, because it requires calculation and it becomes little bit headache without calculator. So log 0.005, this will be equal to log 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this will be log 5 plus log 10 to the power of minus 3. So log 5, now I have calculated recently, that comes out to be I just rubbed it out, 1.00004 0.30103. So it is 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 7, 9, 9 minus 1 8, 9, and 9 minus 3 6. So this is 0.69897 minus 3. So this will be 3 bar 0.69897. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. This is 4 bar. It can't be 4 bar, because this will be 3 bar, because there is only 3 after decimal. After decimal there is only 3 digits, 1 2 3, there is only 3 digits. So 4 bar is not possible. It will be 3 bar, because this is not possible. So now third, you can do it yourself. Now I am going to question number 3, that is to find antilog. That is one thing you must remember, antilog. To find antilog, that is 3.7523. To find antilog, this is, we find antilog from the antilog table, but we consider after the decimal places. We consider after the decimal places, that is 0.752. So in the antilog we are going to see 0.752. See, 0.752, it is 5649, and 3 is your mean difference, and your mean difference is 4. So plus 4, this will be 3565. So this comes out to be 0.5653 into 10 to the power of, always remember this 3 is the characteristics, and 3 plus 1, always we add 1. So 3, this will be 3, 3, your characteristic 3, and plus 1 is always added, so this becomes 0.5653 into 10 to the power of 4. So this will be 5653. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. Your answer, 3 first, 5653. This is your answer. Now again I am telling you to find antilog. One of the most important point you have to remember while finding antilog. Antilog is always considered after the decimal places. Antilog is always considered after the decimal places. So we are going to find the antilog after the decimal places. So 0.75 in the antilog table, 0.752. This is 5649, and this 3, it is the mean difference, and your mean difference is 4. So you add 4 here, this becomes this. So you always write decimal then this value of the antilog, decimal then this value of the, always you have to write decimal then the value of the antilog into 10 to the power of what is your characters 3, and always add 1 to it. So this becomes this is your answer. Now similarly your second question is, you have to find antilog 0.49. So again you see, you go to antilog table 0.49, you go to antilog table 0.490, there is nothing means 0, so this comes out. Always place you have to write the value of antilog after the decimal. Always you have to write the value of antilog after decimal. So this will be 3090 into 10 to the power, your characteristics is 0, 0 plus 1, so this comes out to be 3.090. This is your answer. Now this is your answer. Now I am going to this question number 3. See 3. This is antilog minus 3.6423. You remember this mantissa part, it can never be negative, so you have to first of all make positive. That means minus 3.6423. this means that the minus 3 minus 0.6423, so you have to make this positive. How you are going to make this positive? We are going to add 1 and subtract 1, that is minus 3 minus 1, and we are going to add 1 and subtract 1 plus 1 minus 0.6423. so here 1.0000 0.6423, when I subtract it, 10 minus 3, this is 7, 9 minus 2, this is 7, and 9 minus 4, this is 5, 9 minus 6, this is 3. So this comes out to be this, my 4 bar minus 4 means 4 bar point 3577. Always mantissa can be negative. Mantissa can be negative, but characteristics can be negative. Say characteristics can be negative, but mantissa can never be negative. Mantissa is always positive. Remember that characteristics can be positive, but mantissa is always positive. Characteristics can be positive as well as negative, but mantissa is always positive, and the negative mantissa is represented as 4 bar. So now I am going to the log table. So log table, that is 0.357, this is your 2275, and again 7, yes, your mean difference is 7, this is 4, you 3375, you add 4 to it, so 2279. Always write the value of mantissa after the decimal place, that is 2279 into 10 to your characteristics is minus 4, and always add 1 to it. So this will be 0.2279 into 10 to the power of minus 3. so this will be 0.002279. This is your answer. uh, this must be here, this there is a mistake because it can't be 3 minus 3, that means 1 minute, 0 0.2 minus 3, that means 0.2279 divided by 1000, 3, and again if you remove this decimal, 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, there will be one more zero here, and there will be one more zero here, one more zero, and then your answer is 0.00022279. This is your answer. Now I am going to question number 4. See question number 4. I am going to question number 4. Question number 4. Yes, see, I am going to question number 4. Your question number 4. This is anti-log, anti-log 2 bar 0.7917. So here again, after the decimal places, you have to calculate, that is 0.791. so your 0.791, this is 6180, and then your 7, then your 7 is 10, so this is 10, 6190, so this will become 0.6190 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 1, so this will be 0.6190 into 10 to the power of minus 1, so this will be equal to point 0.06190. This is your answer. So see, your answer will be 0619. So now question number 5, again you have to find the anti-log of 0.0131. so you have to go 0.01 anti-log 0.01 0.010 0.013 0.013, it is 1030, and your mean difference 1 is your 0, so this will be equal 0.10. always write the mantissa value after the decimal places. 1030 into 10, your characteristic 0 0 plus 1, so this will 1.030. this is your answer. This will be your answer. So now you can see 1.01. this is your answer. Now I am going to question number 5. Now I am going to question number 5. Here I am going to question number 5. Question number 5. You have to correct the decimal places. So 5. First you have to correct the decimal places. Here you see anti-log. You have to place the anti-log 1.16080. so the anti-log of this we have to always see in the anti-log after the decimal places. So it was this value it is given you, so actually this was how much? 0.14484. this was the value. Characteristics 1 into 10 to 1 plus 1, that is 2, so 0.14484 into 10 to the power of 2, so 2 decimal places, so 14.484. this decimal place must be placed here. This is your answer. Decimal must be placed here. So third, this is fifth first 14 point. Now again similarly you can see the second, that is anti-log 1.09626. here answer it is given to you. Actually it was how much? 0.12484, and this is 10 to the power of characteristics 1, 1 plus 1, therefore this is 0.12484 into 10 to the power of 2, so this will be 12.484. This is your answer. Now again, your question number 3. See question number 3. Question number 3. This is anti-log 0.38667. So this, it has comes out to be 0.2436 into 10 to the power of 0 plus 1. So this will be 2.436. Decimal place will be 2.436. 2 6 5 2.436 6 it is answer. Say 5 2.4. Now your fourth question, that is anti-log 3 bar 0.8927. so this result was how much? This result was actually it was 0.7812 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 1. So 0.7812 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So this must be 0.007812. This must be your answer. So let me check the answer. Fifth 0.2. This is your answer. Now question number 5. For your question number 5, let me see question number 5. 5 here you see anti-log minus 3.7192. I have already told you that this mantissa can never be in negative, so you have to make it positive. So this will be equal minus 3 minus 0.7192. so this will be, we add 1 and subtract 1, minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.7192. so when I subtract 1.000, 0.7192, 10 minus 2 8, this is 0, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 2 7 2. So this is 4 bar 0.2808. so here your anti-log will be 4 bar 0.2808, and this they have got, that is 0.9090 into 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 1. so this will 0.9090 into 10 to the power of minus 3. so this will 0.309090. this must be your answer. So let me check it. Answer is correct. Now I am going to question number 6. See question number 6. Question number 6 first. Here see, if log 3 is equal to 0.47712, then we have to find anti-log 1 bar 0.47712. so now you see, you have to find this. So now you see, it is given that log 3 is equal to 0.47712. so 3 is equal, log goes this side, it becomes anti-log. When log moves this side, it becomes anti-log 0.47712. so you got 3. That means what actually happens when you were finding anti, so what happened? So what actually happened? Actually happened? uh, what happened here? So what happened here? What happened here? What happened here? So what happened here, that is when you were finding anti-log of 0.47712, you got 0.3, and since your characteristics is 0, 0 plus 1, that is it comes out to be 3. So from here we conclude that your anti-log of antilog 0.47712 is equal to 0.3. This we conclude here. So now you see, since your antilog so your antilog 1 bar 0.47712, this will be equal to this 0.477, this your antilog is 0.3, and into 10 to the characteristics minus 1 plus 1, so this will be equal to 0.3. This is your answer. Now I am going to your question number 6 second. Question number 6 second. 6 second. Here your antilog 1.64436 is equal to 44.092. It is given to you. You have to find log, that is 0.00440992. So actually what happened when, that means antilog 1.64436 is equal to 44.092. that means 1.64436 is equal, antilog moves this side, this becomes log 44.092. so here your characteristics 1 and 44.092, your mantissa got this. So I conclude that so 44.092, your mantissa is this much, your mantissa is this. So when I find out log 0.0044092, your characteristics first non-zero digits, you have to shift it this 3 places, so it will be 3 bar, and 44.092 log is this much, 0.64436. This is your answer, because 44, when you see the log table, your first of all, when you find the log, first of all you write the characteristics. So when you write the characteristics, before decimal places there are 2 digits, so 2 minus 1, your characteristics is 1, and from the log table 44.09, you got this much. So 44.092 is this much, and your characteristics is 3 bar. Now question number 6, your 6 6 3 6 3, here you see, if it is given, if log 7.2 is equal to 0.85 85732, then find the value of, you have to find the value of log 720. 7.2, again the same thing. Here you see your character 3 digits, so your character 3 minus 1 2, and 72 0 is this much, that is 85732. This is your answer. Again you have to find a log 0.00072. so first non-zero digits, 4 places, 1 2 3 4, so your characteristics is 4 bar, and 72 0 is 857332. This is your answer. Now I am going to question number 7. See question number 7. Question number 7, that is A. Find the number of digits. You have to find the number of digits, 2 to the power of 100. So what we are going to do, that is you take log 2 to the power of 100. This will be equal to 100 log 2. So this will be 100 log 2 value 0.30103. So it will be how much? 30103001234 12345. So this will be 30.103. so your characteristics is 30, so that means number of digits will be 31 always. If there are 3 digits, your characteristics is 2. If there are 4 digits, your characteristics is 3. If there it is 5 digits, your characteristics is 4. If it is 10 digits, your characteristics is 9. If it is 10 digits, your characteristics is 9. So now your characteristics is 30. So number of digits will be number of digits will be number. Always add 1 to the characteristics, always 1 add to the characteristics. So this will be equal to 31. So again, the second question, it is that log 3 to the power of 27, that is equal to 27 into log 3, which will come out to 27 into 0.47712. This it is left for you, it is left for you calculate it. And the characteristics, you whatever the characteristics you get, you add 1 to it. Whatever the characteristics you get, you add 1 to it, and rest you can do it yourself. So now I am going to question number 7b. Question 7, you have to find the number of zeros in the decimal places between the point and the first non-zero digit. So again, first you have to take log 3 to the power of minus 20. So this will be minus 20 log 3. So this will be minus 20 into 0.47712. When you multiply it, it will come out to be this is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 7s are 14, 5 1, 2 4s are 8, 1 9. So and 1 0. So it will come out to be minus 9.5. Your answer will be minus 9.5. Again you see that the mantissa cannot be negative, so minus 9 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.54240. So 1.00000, 0.5424, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 2 7, 5, 9 minus 5 4. So this will be 10 bar 0.4576. Always remembers the number of zero, characteristics is minus 10, so you subtract 1 from it. So number of zeros will be uh, number of zeros will be 9. In to find out number of zeros, you always the characteristics, from the characteristics you always subtract 1. You characters always subtract 1, and you have to find the digits, then you add 1 to the characteristics. Similarly you can do the other sums. Now I am going to question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. Going to question number 8. That is 8a. Find the values of log. You have to first find the value of log 25 8. So this will be how much? Log 5 square 2 cube. So this will be 2 by 3 log 5 2. So this you can write as 2 by 3. This you can write as log 5 base 10 into log 10 base 2. Again this you can write as 2 by 3. This is log 5 base 10 into 1 by log 2 base 10. So this will be 2 by 3. Here log 5 its value 0.6990, log 2 value 0.3010. Now when you solve it, you get the answer, and you get the answer. You can calculate it. Um, yeah, you if you calculate it, and you will calculate it, and you will get the you will get the answer. You will get the answer. Answer. So here now I am going to this 8b. 8b. I am going to 8b. 8b, that is if log 165 is equal to 2.2175 and log 1181 is equal to 3.0725. We have to find this log. We have to find the value of this. So to find the value of this, we have to find the value of this. That means x is equal to 0 0.00121234 165 to the power of 1 by 3. So log x will be equal to log this will be 0 0.00000165 to the power 1 by 3. So log x will be equal to 1 by 3 log 0.00000165. So now log x, this will be equal to 1 by 3. This will be your characteristics will be, see, your characteristics will be here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 bar and 16.5. Your log 16.5, it is, this is the value 16.5, this is the value 0.2175. now if you divide it, log x, when you divide it, that is 32175. if you divide it by 3, your 3 sevens are 21, 7 3 3 twos are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So it comes out to your 2 bar 0.725. So your x will be equal to anti-log 2 bar 0.752. Now here you see this log x, this is given to you. So from here 1181 is equal to anti-log 3.0725. this is 3 point anti-log. That means here again the question is uh, uh, now the question is here, for decimal it is not divisible. So one thing I have to confirm it, 1 minute, one thing I have to get it confirmed. That is one thing I'm going to get it confirmed. So here when you divide, this is decimal, when you divide it, this is decimal, so 0.07, this will be 2.07. so here you see the 2 bar 0.0725. so 0.0725, your this value is this much. Your value is how much? Characters your from anti-log table, this it is given to you, this is given to you. This will be 0.1181 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 1. So 0.1181 into 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1. So your answer will be, so your answer x will be, so your answer x will be equal to 0.01181. this will be your answer. Let me check the answer. Let me check the answer. 8b. Let me check the answer. 8b, this is your answer. So this is all about, and in the rest of the question you will get in the next video. I have done only the important parts, the important, which is I have done only the all the questions which are basics of logarithm and anti-logarithm. So you remember, always remember, anti-log can be negative or positive, but mantissa is always positive. Mantissa is always positive. And you so I think so it is clear to you, and the rest of the sum you will get in the next video.